Good day, everyone. This is Ibelivio from Nesbro International Limited. This I'm going to show the e-library or how to access the e-library as a student of or as a staff of FPNO. So first, you're going to visit the link elearning.fpno.edu.ng, or you can as well visit elibrary.fpno.edu.ng. So at the bottom, at the up here, you see a link. This is more like your landing page. At the top here, you see visit FPNO website, e-library, and other resources. So I'm going to click on the e-library. Now, here is when you want to log into the e-learning. Here is when you want to visit the e-library. So you can just click on this e-library and as usual, this link is not for everyone. This link is not for everyone. Um, it's mainly for the student of FPNO and the staff of FPNO. And if you're a student of FPNO, you have an account with the portal, and if you're a staff, you also have an account. So you're going to log in as a student. You choose your role. If you're a student, if you're a lecturer, departmental admin, librarian, session admin, or organization, whatever, maybe the Senate. As long as you're staff of FPNO, you only have access to this page. No other person can access this page. No other person can access this page apart from staff of FPNO. So you select your role, then you select your login details, that's your email and password. You can also click here if you can remember your password. Click on forget password and forgot password, and you see a guide on how to reset your password. So you log in as a student or a staff. Now here you can see the books in the e-library. So you can search by title. You search by title. Any particular book you're looking for, you can search it. It will appear. You can also search by department. So you can come here and search by department and click on the search button. And all books in the e-library for computer engineering will appear. Everything will appear. This is for accounting. We also have one for banking and finance. Yeah, and so on and so forth. So let's go for computer science. These are all the books you have. So you can click on any one. So I chose this. So the book is going to load, obviously. So it's loading. And then depending on the size of the PDF, the book in the library, and how fast your internet usually is. So this is how it's going to be. It's going to take a while. Yeah, it's quite a bit. So this is loading for a while because the amount of book pages is here. This page PDF map is going to be a lot. So this is the book. You can come here and you read. Introduction to Computer System. Now that's the book, so you can start reading. You can as well click on this select or explore more learning resources. When you click on this, it will take you to here. It will have other learning resources. Like I said, also, this is only available for students of FPNO and staff of FPNO. So if you click on any of these, you're going to have access to a whole lot of books to read, ebooks, journal, you name it. So this system have lots of books in the library that we deployed for FPNO. So that is probably it for the learning money for the e-library for the FPNO. You click here, you log in, you search for your book, you click on your other learning resources, then you can click any one to can have access to it. I can click on this and depending on how fast my network is to load. Yeah, and I can search for any book I want to and download that. So yeah, thank you very much. That's it.